Hey, welcome back to Homegrown Country Home Place, friends. How y'all doing today? Y'all, I'm gonna show you what I've been working on. I'm building this slanted roof, like a carport. I'm gonna be storing either my boat and tractor up under it, or maybe some vehicles, so whatever I decide to use it for. And I'm just adding it on to this RV carport right here that I built last year for my camper. And show y'all. The main reason I'm going to show you this here is how I attach my roof rafters right here. And I do this on, like, say if I'm building a porch onto something, or like a slanted roof shed, or just a gable roof shed. This method right here will work for any of that. And I like this method better than just, say, cutting a bird mouth on your rafter and toenailing it. Now we'll say if you cut the bird mouth and do the freeze blocks and this other method, it's gonna be a whole lot stronger overall. But if you want just a quick method of attaching your roof rafters, I'll just show you how I did this. You know, I just put my boards up there, and I just face nail. You see right here, I just face nail the rafters right there on that board. And you can come back if you feel it necessary. You know, I have done that too before. Come back up under here and lay, say, another board up under it, like a 2x6 or something like that. And these are 2x8, so I feel like they're going to be strong enough. It's only about like a 9.5, almost 10 foot span between these posts here, so I'm not really worried about it sagging. But let me just get up here, show you what I'm talking about. So what I do here, I take a piece of wood. Let me show you here on this right here. So what I do, I just take a block. This is a 2x6, and I just lay it in there. And this is like your freeze block. Of course, this freeze block, I'm using 2x6s. They need to be, I'm using 2x8 rafters, but they need to be, you know, base the same size as your rafter. But this is going to be like a shed, so it doesn't really, you know, shed type roofs, it don't really matter on that. But so what I do, I just start out and I get it flush right here on the edges right here. That allows me to mark the position right here. Now, I do have some overhang back here, which it really don't matter. But if you want to everything be good and flush, you can use a different dimension lumber, or take your table saw and rip it off. But I just leave mine overhung there. And so what I do, I go through here and I'll nail it down, and right up on the back, up under here, I'll nail it right through here 3 times. And then I go ahead and put this block in here, and then I'll face nail it like 3 times here. And it looks like it right there. I'll show you. Then I come back and I put me some nails in each side to secure it from the sides. Also, in the process here, what I do, I'll take, before I even put the boards down here, y'all, I haven't done this side, but what I'll do, I'll come in here, I put 3 nails, 1, 2, 3 nails here. I put a nail here, and then I'm ready to put them blocks in like I just showed you, nail them down. Let me show you the back here. So, like I say, right in here, you see I put 1, 2 here, 1, 2. So, let me show you what the back looks like. Here's the overhang I was referring to right here. If you don't like that overhang, which that don't bother me at all, you know, you can cut it off and be good and flush. Now you can come back here, right in here, if you don't want to put your board flush on this side right here. You know, you can take it and go right reverse, put your board back here. I always kind of leave mine open on the back side, and even though you can come back here and put your freeze block here, if you want to just cap it in, and make it much stronger. But like I said, to me, I just overkill, just a lot of extra. It really depends what you're doing. If you're building a house, obviously, you want to do a little bit different. But this is going to be just the outside, slanted type shed roof or carport roof. But I just want to show y'all how to do that. It's just quick and easy, and you don't have to cut no bird mouths. So that's the whole point of that, is just as strong, because you got so many different points of contact. And when you put a bird mouth in, you got to toenail it. What I've seen, they'll crack your wood, your rafter, they'll crack it. It weakens it, and to me, it's not as strong doing it that way. But if you wanted to do your bird mouth cut in this rafter and do this extra, steps right here, it'd be really strong. But I do it mainly because it's quicker, and I don't like putting toenails in my ceiling rafters there, roof rafters. I don't like, sometimes they'll crack out on you, and and so I was just done it this way. And also right up under here, I'll come back and I take some long screws and screw in here and just give extra tightening on this right here. That's gonna make it that much stronger. Then on this back side here, this piece here is nailed down, but I'll come back up in here and set me some screws in there, so it's just all good and tight and secure when it's all said and done. And it's almost like, well, I'd say it's be stronger, just as strong as using like a hurricane rafter, tie on your rafter. But y'all, I just want to share that with y'all, just a quick, easy way that I like doing my roof rafters. And I guess another key benefit is, if you don't know how to make a bird mouth, to get your angle, like I say, it eliminates all that. You just get your one angle here, and once you get it set, it just lays across this top plate here. And the way I do that, I'm just going to show you that. I just put me like a top plate across here, and then I come back here and put my tube bait up under that. So basically, just rafter just sets up there, and you come back and put your spacing. Like mine is like a 21.5 inches right here in between here. That's my spacing in between there. And it don't really matter on that spacing. You do what you want to do. That's just the spacing I decided I needed to use and wanted to use on this particular project right here. And so that's how I do it, y'all. I'll just show you this over here, give you an idea. And y'all can see up here, the only downside of this, which anything outside that's going to happen, is a lot of times you have birds that wants to get up in there. That's why I say, if you want to block it off on that side of it, you can. I never do. I don't never worry about it. But I just want to show you right there on this carport here I built, how that looks. And so, all right, y'all. Hope this video wasn't too long. Just wanted to give you a little update on a little something I was working on here, and maybe help some of you out if you building a roof there and you just want a simple way of getting it done. And like I say, it's just as good, if not better, than doing your bird mouth cuts on your rafters. Now, you don't have to do it the way I'm doing it. I just want to show y'all, if any are interested in an easy method of getting it done, and it's a lot quicker that way, and I prefer it than just cutting the bird mouth. So that's why I do it. So hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, friends, from my family to yours, y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.